It's always striking how these colonial and racial dynamics repeat themselves in different ways across history. When I heard that US President Donald Trump wanted to offer refugee status to white South Africans, it immediately reminded me of Britain's failed attempt to turn Jamaica into a predominantly white island during slavery. Trump's plan, outlined in an executive order, sought to stop all aid and financial assistance to South Africa, claiming the government was violating the rights of white Afrikaner farmers. He accused South Africa of allowing violent attacks on white farmers and passing a land expropriation law that, according to him, would let the government seize Afrikaner land without compensation. In response, he proposed resettling these farmers in the US as refugees. But here's the twist. Many of the white South Africans he claimed to be saving weren't interested. Groups representing them rejected the offer, saying they had no intention of leaving their homeland. Just like that, Trump's plan hit a wall. It reminded me so much of when Britain tried to manipulate Jamaica's demographics. The British wanted to make the island a white majority colony, so they started sending indentured servants, including the Irish, to boost the white population. But at the same time, they kept buying enslaved Africans to work the plantations, vastly outnumbering the white settlers. The result? The plan to whiten Jamaica never materialized. History is full of these attempts at social engineering, powerful nations trying to reshape populations for their own benefit, only to be defeated by reality. Whether it's Britain's failed demographic experiment in Jamaica, or Trump's misguided attempt to relocate white South Africans, one thing is clear: people aren't just pieces on a chessboard, they decide their own fate.